Our planet is the greatest living puzzle in the universe. A collection of worlds within worlds. Each one a self-contained ecosystem bursting with life. But how do they work? The intricate web of relationships and the influence of natural forces makes each micro-world complex and unique. So to discover their secrets, we need to explore them one by one, untangle their interlocking pieces, and ultimately reveal the vital piece, the key to life itself, hidden deep within each of nature's micro-worlds. The Okavango Delta, Southern Africa. A vast wetland supporting a huge diversity of life. With over 1,000 species of plants and more than 400 types of bird. It's a magnet for wildlife, home to one of the biggest congregations of large animals in Africa. Fed by the Okavango River, this incredible lush microworld is actually an oasis. A vast wetland in the very heart of the Kalahari Desert. And what an oasis! At 22,000 square kilometers, the Okavango is the world's largest inland delta. A normal delta is formed where the river flows out to sea. But here the river flows into the middle of the African continent, creating an immense wetland that can be seen from space. Inland deltas are extremely unusual. So just how does the Okavango function? To understand this and how it can support all this life, we have to take a look at it through the year.